All right, so I had to replace the water pump and thermostat on my 2014 SRT 6.4. I'm just gonna give you a heads up from stuff I ran into. I didn't record any of the process because there's plenty of videos out there on YouTube on the process of removing it, installing it, burping the cooling system and all that. But I did want to give you a heads up on that to make sure you got these few things. So make sure you got some pipe thread tape or paste for these two here. Make sure you get your O-ring for this coolant crossover tube or pipe, because the water pump gasket set did not come with it, and I had to order that gasket set separate. So I got the water pump, the gasket, and the O-ring, but I already had a assortment of O-rings in the shop, so that's what I used. Then for this is the water pump here. You got to remove the belt tensioner to get this bolt, and then the idler pulley to get these to it. You can still get it with the idler pulley still there, but that taking out just makes it easier, and it's easy to do. Just pull that out, get it a lot quicker. So yeah, that's just a heads up for anybody out there getting ready to do this, because I was unaware, but luckily I did have the O-ring on hand, or else I would have had to order that too. And also, if you pull the fan out, make sure you check your radiator to see if it's leaking down the sides on like the plastic tanks on the side. Just double check that before you put it all back together.